New at 6, in an Operation Crime and Justice report, 2 drivers involved in the death of Washington State Trooper Tara-Marysa will not face criminal charges. Good evening, I'm Preston Phillips.
And I'm Molly Shen. Trooper Gooding was struck and killed while investigating a crash in Tacoma in December. This month, investigators wrapped up their work on the case and handed it to prosecutors to look at criminal charges against the 2 drivers who hit the trooper. KOMO's Jeremy Harris is live with this update on the case. Jeremy.
Yeah, I just got the prosecutor's final report in this case today, and it contains a lot of new information we didn't previously know about the trooper's tragic death here along SR 509, including what the drivers who hit her told police. In this report, Pierce County prosecutors lay out the results of the investigation into the death of 29-year-old Washington trooper Tara-Marysa Gooding. Her final call was the scene of a car crash on SR 509 at the Port of Tacoma Road. A driver was accelerating on an on-ramp when prosecutors say Trooper Gooding stepped into the roadway to cross the street. The driver struck her, then pulled over immediately and got out. 2 minutes later, a second driver in an SUV struck the trooper as she was on the ground, but he kept going. The first driver was going well under the speed limit when he hit the trooper on a dark road with a glare coming from nearby lights. The conditions on the road, the weather, the lighting, all of that played into the investigation.
Absolutely, and it has to. In those lighting conditions, the darkest night of the shortest day, driving rain and bright glare, you cannot make out objects, you cannot make out people unless they are illuminated.
Attorney Michael Stewart reviewed the prosecutor's memo. He says he agrees this case is a tragic accident, but not a crime.
I don't know if I've seen a more thorough investigation. It was incredible.
The second driver to hit Trooper Gooding, an 86-year-old man from Tacoma, claimed he thought he had struck a pothole. The memo says video of the incident shows his SUV bounce and then the brake lights activate.
You have to know you were in an accident. If you hit a pothole, you don't have to stop. If you believe you hit some debris, you don't have to stop.
In the end, prosecutors say they did not think the evidence supported criminal charges against either driver.
They took their time, they did a thorough investigation, and they made the right call.
Now, the report does note that Trooper Gooding did not have a reflective vest on at the time that she was struck. The 86-year-old man, that was the second driver to run her over, and then he left the scene. He was arrested in a totally separate incident for driving under the influence in the same area about 3 months after the crash. Reporting live from Tacoma, Jeremy Harris, KOMO News.
Jeremy, what is the Washington State Patrol saying about this decision from the prosecutors?
Well, as you can imagine, this is a difficult and sensitive issue for the State Patrol as they continue to mourn the loss of Trooper Gooding. They told me today in a statement that they really appreciate the work from investigators and prosecutors that took a lot of time to go through this case very carefully. They said that this obviously does not make them feel better or worse about the investigation. They continue to mourn her, and their mission now is to make sure she's never forgotten.
Jeremy, thanks very much.